Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you have not heard, I am starting a brand new series. My dog's making his way downstairs. He's old. Come on, buddy! Get those stairs! Come here! He hates being picked up or I'd go get him. Hi! Good job! So with this moving forward, each month I'm going to be putting out one public video on a subject. This month I have chosen to have my subject be kind of broad spectrum eyeliner. And I'll be putting out one video publicly for my YouTube channel, and the rest of my videos are going to be private for my Patreon clients only. If you are not a Patreon client and you would be interested in getting in on that, I have multiple tiers. There's a chance for prizes and drawings. I have a sticker of the month club. I also will then be having this video up for at least a couple of months to see how it goes over. So you'll have some educational, informational videos, as well as access to my fun videos early, the chance at prizes, things of that nature, more of my cat. Let's get into eyeliner. So for today, I wanted to do kind of a fun graphic high fashion liner. I already have my waterline lined, and I'm going to move into doing some graphic liner. Today I'm going to be using the Essence eyeliner pen and then using shadows to kind of work into that eyeliner and create something a little bit more unique and a little bit more high fashion. So to start with today, I'm going to be marking where I want my graphic liner to kind of sit. I want it to be starting up in this corner, so I'm going to mark that on the other side. I'm going to be working out this far corner here, which I will also mark out on either side. So I'm going to take from this corner and draw upwards, and then take this down and in. Okay, so probably thinking right now this looks super weird, super dumb, but wait until we fill it out. Okay, I've opted for a little bit fluffier angle brush, so this guy, and I'm using the Naked Smoky palette, and I'm going to be dipping into this one Whiskey right here. I'm going to make sure to get the brush nice and full, tap off excess to avoid fallout, and then I'm going to be patting following that line. Alright, and the other side. And then I'm going to be drawing up through this as well, just to get some following, like the curve of my eye, my crease. go in with Blendy brush and blend out in that center. And I'm taking that crease and blending it into the corner. See there? I also want to get up and above just to about the point here to blend that out a little bit. And this side. This is definitely a look I could see being used in like a high fashion magazine. Something unconventional, a runway maybe. This is not like beauty guru makeup or everyday makeup, but high fashion makeup. For me, I like a smoky liner, so I'm going to take some of that brown and actually go up underneath as well. And then to really make this pop, I want to choose a bright color to go on my inside for me. So I have the Anastasia Subculture palette, and I'm going in with New Wave. It's a bright yellow. I'm gently patting that in. And blending into that darker part as well. I'm going to take this yellow and come up underneath. Should we see what it looks like with a full face of makeup and I'm done over? I added lips and mascara and a cute little matching beret. And here we go. Cute, right? So I'm keeping these videos pretty simple and pretty to the point. I do feel like my Patreon videos are geared at this juncture in time towards people that are complete beginners, so this would be like an advanced video, or not super advanced, but you know, something that would be a little out of just the standard regular stuff that I'd be teaching there. So hope you like it. Hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my videos in the future.